You know, I'm confused about the complications Carol told us about yesterday. I thought that one allele is dominant, one's recessive, and that blending doesn't happen.
Hang on to those thoughts, Jason. There's just more to the genetic picture than Mendel could see with peas. Do you both understand about multiple alleles?
Yeah, it takes 3 or more alleles for a trait.
And there is a hierarchy. For example, I could say that allele A is dominant over B, which is dominant over C. So you'll only see the effects of C if you've got 2 of them. Homozygous Cs.
Right. And remember, blending doesn't happen. If you think you see blending, what you're really seeing is incomplete dominance in the heterozygotes. So I brought these snapdragons. And a monohybrid cross of red snapdragons with white snapdragons, all the resulting F1 plants will be pink. These plants can then be crossed. Now, according to the laws of Mendel, if the alleles remain unchanged, then during gametogenesis there will still be separate and discrete alleles in the gametes. Because neither is truly dominant, scientists assign both these alleles capital letters, but they distinguish between them by giving one of them a prime symbol. So in our example, capital R for the red allele, capital R prime for the white allele.
So we get familiar ratios. 1/4 red, 1/2 heterozygous pink, and 1/4 pure white.
Right, and those are the phenotypic ratios. So what does that prove?
That the alleles did not blend together or change in any way because they both show up separately in the next generation.
Right, Shailene. So rather than blending, what happens is that both alleles exert some control over the trait. In heterozygous snapdragons, there is some red pigment and some white pigment in the pink flower petals.
So this occurs in some plants for some traits, but not all of them.
Actually, incomplete dominance occurs in animals and humans too.